Hello friends, welcome to the third lecture of electrical accessories of electrical materials and wiring practices. What do you mean by electrical safety accessories? A fuse is one of the electrical safety accessories. It is connected in series with the circuit and protect the electrical apparatus and the equipment as well as the human being from the damage from the electrical accident when excess current flows through them. Right? There are the several types of the safety accessories are available in the market. For example, KitKat type fuses, MCB, miniature circuit breaker, high rupturing capacity fuses, earth leakage circuit breaker, residual circuit breaker, that is RCCB. Right? Now, the types of the safety electrical accessories. First types of the fuse is the KitKat type of the fuses, and another type is the ironclad type fuse cutout. Now, the KitKat type of the fuse. What do you mean by KitKat type of the fuse, or the another name of this type of fuse is the rewirable fuse, right? This type of fuse are generally used in domestic installation or applications. The domestic installation साठी generally आपण KitKat type चे fuses use करत असतो. तुमच्या घरी तुम्हाला दिसेल मीटरच्या साईडला. This type of fuse is having two parts. First is the base, another is the fuse carrier. Now, the KitKat type of fuses is having a porcelain base and having two fixed contacts. This is the first one and this contact is the second one, and for connecting the incoming and outgoing wires, for connecting incoming as well as outgoing wire. The bottom part of the fuse is called as the base and the top part is called as the fuse carrier. This part is nothing but the fuse carrier. Right? आपण काय करत असतोय, या फ्यूज कॅरियर मध्ये फ्यूज वायरला या ठिकाणी कनेक्ट करत असतो. बरोबर. In case of any electrical fault, this fuse link will get blown up, right? म्हणजे हे डिस्कनेक्ट होईल आणि पुन्हा आपण काय करू, याला पुन्हा रिवायर करू शकतो. ॲज इट इज याला आपण रिप्लेस करू शकतो. देअरफॉर द नेम इज द रिवायरेबल फ्यूज. Advantages are easy to rewire the fuse, very cheap and replace the fuse wire. KitKat type of fuses are meant for low rupturing capacity and not suitable for power circuit. कारण याची कॅपॅसिटी कमी असते. They are capable of delivering enormous amount of power in case of short circuit. Now, the ironclad type of the fuses. Ironclad fuse is nothing but the KitKat type of fuses. Only this KitKat type of fuses enclosed in this ironclad. आयरनच्या बॉक्समध्ये त्याला प्लेस केलेला आहे, म्हणून त्याला ironclad fuse with cutouts असं आपण त्याला नाव दिलेलं आहे. Now, there are the another types of the safety accessories available is the MCB, miniature circuit breaker, and for the higher power circuit, high capacity, you are using the high rupturing capacity fuse, that is HRC fuse. Correct? Now, the outlet accessories. Outlet accessories means what? For taking the supply from one place to another place, we needed a outlet accessories. These accessories are used to take the supply for the portable appliances like table fan, TV, etc. The standard rating of this type of accessories is 6 ampere, 16 ampere, 32 amperes and 240 volts. This is the current rating and this is the voltage rating. The following types are normally used for domestic purposes. They have to be specified according to the mounting types, number of pins, current capacity and the voltage. Let's see. This is the 2 pin socket and 2 pin plug. This is the 2-pin socket, right? It is having one pin is for phase, another pin is for the neutral, having the rating 6 ampere, 16 ampere, 32 ampere, but basically this is having the rating of only 6 ampere 240 volt, because it is having only 2 pin, for one is for phase and another is for neutral. 2-pin plug to take the supply. To take the supply from this socket, we needed a 2-pin plug, right? 2-pin plug. 3-pin socket. But obvious, name itself suggests that it is having the 3 pin. Means this one is the first pin, this is the second pin, and this one is the third pin, right? Always remember, in 3-pin socket, the rightmost hole is of phase, leftmost is of neutral, and this large gauge hole is of earthing purpose. बरोबर आहे. आता तुम्ही विचार करा की या होलचा साईज, या होलचा गेज आणि या दोन होलचा गेज मध्ये खूप डिफरन्स आहे. गेज ऑफ धिस is larger than the gauge of this and this. Why it is so? Because when there is a fault, the large current is flowing through the circuit, which is more than the rated current, correct? If it is more than the rated current and the size of this earth wire is less, then the resistance is more, because we know the formula R is equal to rho L by A. And when the area is larger, resistance is lesser, and it will not oppose the current, right? Correct. This is why the size of this hole is larger. Now the 3-pin plug, to take the supply from this 3-point socket, we needed a 3-pin plug, correct? Now the general accessories. There are the several general accessories are available in the market. For example, appliance connectors or iron connectors, adapters, sealing rods, connectors, distribution boards, and neutral link. These are the connectors. These connectors are used as a female connector to supply current to the electric kettle, electric iron, hot plate or heater, right? This is the adapter. Why this adapter is needed? It is used for taking a supply from the lamp holder for a small appliances. एखाद्या लॅम्प होल्डर मधनं जर मला सप्लाय घ्यायचा असेल कुठल्याही एखाद्या अप्लायन्स करता, तर आपण ॲडॅप्टर यूज करत असतो, राईट? या ॲडॅप्टरमधनं आपण इथे सॉकेट दिलेलं असेल त्या सॉकेटमधनं आपण सप्लाय घेत असतो. नाउ द सीलिंग रोजेस. Sealing rods are used to provide tapping points from the wiring for supplying power to fan, pendant holder, tube lights, etc. Normally flexible wires are used for tapping from the sealing rods. These are the 2-plate sealing rods. One plate is for phase and another plate is for neutral. This is the 3-plate sealing rods, right? Means 2 circuits can be connected to these 3-pin sealing rods. This is the connector for taking the multiple connection to extend the length of the wire without jointing. They are made of porcelain, bakelite or PVC based material, right? Multiple connection आपण याच्यामधनं काढू शकतोय, बरोबर आहे? ही मल्टिपल कनेक्शन आपण याच्यामधनं काढू शकतोय. Distribution board. Why we needed the distribution board? These are used where the total load is high and is to be divided into the number of sub-circuit. जर मला आपल्या घरचा लोड वेगवेगळ्या सर्किटमध्ये जर डिव्हाइड करायचा असेल, त्याकरता आपल्याला डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बोर्डची गरज असतं. जनरली स्ट्रक्चर कसं असतं? पोलवरनं आपल्या मीटरला सप्लाय येतोय, मीटरवरनं कुठे असतोय? मीटरवरनं आपल्या मेन स्विचला जातोय, मेन स्विचवरनं आपण कुठे जातोय, डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बोर्ड, आणि डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बोर्डवरून नंबर ऑफ सब सर्किट डिव्हाइड केल्या जातात. त्याकरता आपल्याला काय पाहिजे, डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बोर्ड पाहिजे. हे डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बोर्ड आपण कशासाठी लावतोय, जर एखाद्या सर्किटवरती जर काही प्रॉब्लेम झाला तर आपल्याला पूर्ण लोड बंद करण्याची गरज नाही, आपल्याला फक्त त्या सब सर्किटचा तो फ्यूज किंवा ती MCB फक्त आपल्याला बंद करावं लागेल. करेक्ट. त्याकरता आपण डिस्ट्रीब्युशन बोर्ड लावत असतो. न्यूट्रल लिंक, this is the neutral link for taking the neutral or supplying the neutral, right? In a three-phase system of wiring installation, the phases are controlled through the switches and the neutral tapped through a link called the neutral link. The neutral link consists of a terminal for the incoming current and a multi-way outgoing circuit. The metal terminals are mounted on high-grade vitreous porcelain base. The accessories rating shall be 240 volt, 6 or 16 ampere from the year 1991. Hope you understand the electrical accessories lecture very well. Thank you.